Hi everyone, I'm Andy Huang. Long time no see, and welcome to my channel. In this series, we're going to learn how to write Chinese characters step by step. We won't just memorize the shapes of the characters. I will show you how each stroke works, how the strokes are positioned, and how they fit together to form a balanced character. And today, we're going to start with one of the most basic strokes in Chinese handwriting, the horizontal stroke. In Chinese, it's called héng. Let's start with a very simple character, 10. 10 means 10. The pronunciation is 10 with the second tone. This character is made up of just two strokes, a horizontal stroke and a vertical stroke. So, if you can write 10 well, you are already learning the basic structure of many Chinese characters. So, what exactly is a horizontal stroke? A horizontal stroke usually moves from left to right. But there's something important here. When you write Chinese characters, don't think of a horizontal stroke as simply drawing a straight line. You need to pay attention to the starting point, the direction, the pressure, the length, and the ending point. Let me show you. So, first, place your pen at the starting point. Apply a little pressure. Then move the pen smoothly from left to right. Try to keep the stroke relatively level. Don't rush. And when you reach the end, gradually reduce the pressure and finish the stroke cleanly. That's a basic horizontal stroke. Again, okay, let me do it one more time, a little slower. Start, move to the right, and release the pressure at the end. Now, here's something beginners often get wrong. They try to make the horizontal stroke perfectly straight. But in handwriting, perfectly straight doesn't always mean natural. What matters more is consistency and control. You want the stroke to have a stable direction and a controlled movement. This is too uneven. This one is too short. And this one is too heavy. What we are looking for is something controlled, balanced, and consistent, like this. Okay, let's put the horizontal stroke into the character 10. As you can see here, 10. Remember, 10 has two strokes, 横, 竖. So first, the horizontal stroke, 横, then the vertical stroke, 竖. Okay? I will show you. 横, 竖. Notice where the vertical stroke crosses the horizontal stroke. It shouldn't be too far to the left or too far to the right. Try to keep the structure balanced. And the horizontal stroke also needs to be long enough to support the vertical stroke. If it's too short, like this, so the character feels cramped, right? But if it's too long, see? The character can look too flat. Okay, let's look at some common mistakes. Mistake number 1, making the stroke too short, like this. Number 2, pressing too hard. Number 3, moving the pen too quickly. And number 4, focusing on the individual stroke, but ignoring the overall structure of the character, like this. Remember, good Chinese handwriting isn't just about getting every stroke technically correct. It's also about how the strokes work together. Now, it's your turn. Before you practice the whole character, practice the horizontal stroke by itself. Don't try to write 100 of them. Instead, write 10 carefully controlled strokes. Focus on the direction, the length, and the pressure. Once you're comfortable with the stroke, try writing 10, 横, 竖. Write it slowly at first, then gradually increase your speed while keeping the same structure and proportions. So, today we learned the horizontal stroke, 横. We also learned how to use it in the character 10, which means 10. Remember 3 things: direction, control, and proportion. Don't just copy the shape. Understand how the character is constructed. In the next video, we are going to learn the vertical stroke, 竖, and we'll use it to write the character, 中. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye.